Woo! You following me, puppers? You can't follow me, you know better. Woo! Deep snow. Okay. Winter trail I have found. It's not really a trail. I call it a trail. Currently I have no Wi-Fi. No service. So all I have is my camera, my DS. My camera's on my phone, so just my phone, my DS, and my tablet. Say computer, but I left that at home. Technically it's not mine, so I wouldn't be able to use it out here anyway. I don't know if my camera is picking up the footprints I've already left, but should be okay. Deep snow. Big branch. Literally just bored, so I'm just recording. This is my life now. Ugh. I go back home Sunday, just tomorrow, meaning it is April 21st, 2018. I've already been around here a few times, but I'm just following my own footsteps. The funny thing is, I keep on hearing animals, and with me being a paranoid person, deep snow, with me being a paranoid person, I'm not used to it. And there's still snow out here, as you can see, so I'm also not used to that. Cold. Trying to keep my language down because that's right on the other side of the trail. But the good thing is I can stay up as late as I want right now. So if I wanted to sleep in after staying up till 2 a.m., I could. Because apparently I'm on no schedule with him right now. So. Which is good. He's a cool parent. Shout out to all my internet friends. Mostly the ones that have internet and YouTube right now. But I forgot how to say his last name on this channel, but shout out to Blaze. He's a wonderful guy and he does gaming, so I'll leave a link in the description if I can for his channel. And one of my other good friends, Blue Wolf Spirit, he also does gaming, mostly Fortnite, I'm pretty sure. They are wonderful people. If I knew anyone else with a YouTube channel, I would do that. There's also Razor Sharp. He does Geometry Dash. They are wonderful people. Could never ask for better friends. I will try leaving their channel links when possible. I have to do like a few copy and paste. All I know is I'm climbing snowbanks and it's fun. It's just getting windy, so I might pull on my hoodie under this again. He does too. Shit. Okay. Okay. I messed my ankle. Okay. Let's see. Nope. Huh? Okay. 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 And I'm going backwards because I'm not slipping and break my ankle. Whee! Thank you for watching.